it's that time of year again. Love is in the air and Valentine's Day is right around the corner. So in this special Valentine's Day episode of Just the Tip, I teach you how to make a quick and easy gourmet dessert that's sure to get your significant other's heart fluttering. If you're looking to do something a little extra special this year for your lucky guy or girl, then what better way to show them you care than by doing the impossible? Today, we're going to be breaking culinary boundaries and setting hearts on fire by making chocolate Chantilly. A lot of chefs will tell you that mixing chocolate and water is a culinary no-no. Well, I'm here to tell you that it is not only possible, but can actually make one of the most flavorful mousses that you'll ever eat. Because unlike its traditional counterpart, this mousse has no cream in it to dull that chocolate flavor. So let's break some rules. Well, there you have it. What better way to show someone you love them than by doing the impossible? Well, that's all I have time for this week, but to be kept up to date with future episodes, simply click on the bell icon down below and you'll be sent a notification each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please feel free to give that like button some love and subscribe. If you found the video useful, please feel free to share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to read them. Recipes, as always, are down in the description box. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, wishing you a happy Valentine's Day, and you just got the tip.